how to add a Add to Cart button in Shopify Dawn Theme. To do this, we have to go to our online store first, and we want to go to the left hand side and click on Online Store, and make sure you're in the Themes section. And from here, as you can see, we have our default Dawn theme. We can go to Customize, and from up here we want to change this from Homepage to Collections and to Default Collection. And as you can see, currently there is no such button under here under the products which we're selling. So we want to go to Product Grid here on the left hand side, and you want to scroll down until you see these here, these boxes which you can tick, and you want to look for the last one which says Enable Quick Add button. So I'm just going to click on that, and I want to save the changes here on the top right, and that adds the Add to Cart button under our products. And that's it. That's how you add to Cart button in Shopify Dawn Theme. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.